question number 1 is a big trap. This is very similar to one of the questions on a practice SAT that I give many of my students, and more students get it wrong than get it right. It looks so easy at first glance, and it turns out to have an enormous trap. So let me show you what it is. And question number 1, you really want to sketch this. I'm just going to focus on the first quadrant, sketch it like this. And it says it passes this line, it passes through the origin. So give yourself sort of a dot right there at the origin. And it has a slope of 1/8. So it means go up 1 and over 8. And then we're going to write down what point we ended up at. This is where the trap is. You just thought in terms of up and over, up 1 and over 8. But when you write this as an ordered pair, the x has to come first and the y has to come second. So when we're writing it as an ordered pair, it's going to be 8, 1. Be super careful about that, because here's the trap. All of my students are thinking up 1 over 8 and they go straight to answer B. No, you always have to have the x value first. The x value is coming from the denominator here, not the numerator, so be super careful. I can see that 8, 1 is not an option on this list. That doesn't mean that we have an issue. That just means we haven't found the correct point that happens to be listed as the correct answer yet. So let's do it again. Let's go up 1 and over 8 again. Since we went up 1, we landed at 2 in the y value. Remember, what I'm increasing is the second number of the ordered pair, the y value. And we went over 8, that'll make us a 16 on the x value. D is the correct answer here. I'm not sure how many of you tried this first and fell for the trap, but if you did, you just got a little bit smarter because I was able to trick you once. I'm sure you're not going to get tricked by it again.